Well, I guess it's about that time again.
It's been a while. Let's go back to the Vocaloid software. What is up, guys? My name is AcesToAces, and welcome back to another episode of Vocaloid 5. I know everyone's been waiting for one of these ones. In today's video, we will be learning how to software. What? How to software. That should be a new video. I'm going to be teaching Vocaloid 5 in depth more, like with different effects and different everything. So let me just walk through some of my favorite stuff in the software. Okay, let's get started. So what you want to do first is observe the software. You see, we have an empty template here. We have to put things inside of it. So what I usually do first is I change the tempo. Right now we're at 120. It's a good number, but maybe we want a faster track, so I'm just going to go 140 or something. Now let's go back in here. So we notice a voice style, right? You want to double click on that, and then we come up with the musical editor. Okay, so next what I usually do is go to the voice tab, and you can choose different voices. Again, I only have 2 because I don't have much hard drive space, so I would have more. There are way more, but I only have these 2. So I would just choose this one because it's the English one and it's easier to work with. I recommend choosing the English one if you only English. And then you want to go to the style tab, and you can change the different like variations of the voice. So maybe I want like a cute voice, and then you want like bright air, or maybe you want it to sound like a character. But wait, there's more. You want to go to the customize tab down here, or the customized arrow thing, and then you get greeted with all this cool stuff right here. This think of it as the mixer track for FL Studio. So these are all your different effects, like the equalizer, the compressor. See, they already have presets for you guys. Come on, it's so easy. You have everything here. You have all these knobs, and you can tune it however you like. Hey, look, it's reverb. But yeah, you got all of this different stuff. Okay, so right here is the genre. You can see here there's pop, there's R&B, there's rock. You can choose whatever one is right for you. So maybe I want pop, and then here's the singing skill, and you can change the different singing skill however you like. So I want like a clean one or something. And right here you can change the skill level, speech level 100, and you can change the amount of how clean you want the vocal to be, or how idle you want the vocal to be. So yeah, we won't mess with this yet until we get our actual voice, but I'm just walking through. Actually, you know what? I should go into the musical editor before we get into this, huh? Yeah, that would make more sense. I know, I'm such a great teacher. Okay, so we're back in the musical editor, and I'm going to draw in some notes. I don't know if you guys want to see this again because I did that in the last video, so I'm just gonna come up with a quick phrase. Okay, so I came up with my phrase. Yeah, here you go. So you see, we got our vocal. You know, you can type in your lyrics here if you double click on the text box and draw in your notes as you would in the piano roll. So next, we want to go back to the style tab like we did previously, and we're back in this cool menu. Okay, so let's go back to the scale and amount. If you drag up, let's see what it sounds like. And then right here, the voice color, you can change individual stuff right here. So here's the exciter. That's how bright you want stuff to be, and this is how muffled you want stuff to be. So let's listen to what this sounds like. And here, the growl. Let's see what the growl sounds like. See, it sounds like you gotta clear your throat. So let's turn that down a bit. This phrase is is this getting on your guys' nerves? Okay, so breathy, it's yeah, let's see what it sounds like. Sounds like a whisper, so maybe I don't want that. You can turn it down. Airy, I'm assuming it's like breathy, but yeah. Yeah, even more whisper. Open mouth. Let's see what the closed one sounds like. There is no difference. Let's just leave that open then. And then we have our cute because we picked the. Wait, I thought we picked the cute. I don't know. Oh yeah, we did pick the cute. It's in the voice tab. Let's see. Cool. What does it sound like? Okay, it's a deeper voice. So yeah, we want a little bit of cute in there. What does all the way sound like? Okay. No. This ain't it, chief. Then right here, the breath tab, different breathes. What? I think I'm supposed to drag this a little bit forward. Yeah. Oh, that's okay. That's a really hard breath. You have to drag this a little bit forward. Now it sounds like this. This is a female voice, so I'll just leave it on that one. Right here, you can mess with the other stuff too. I don't really mess with this though. But yeah, you can mess with the, you can even like remove stuff too. So like if you don't want the compressor, you can I don't know why I thought there would be like a trash can here. Like I can just drag into a trash. I think that's the mute button. That should be. I can't. Okay, let me just. Yeah, that's the mute button. It's pretty much it's really simple and most of this stuff is just personal experience. So if you guys get a hold of the software, you can you can mess with it yourself and tune it to your liking. So yeah. Oh my god, it's 3 a.m. in the morning. I am doing a Vocaloid 5 video at 3 in the morning. Oh yeah, you can also add stuff too by right clicking here and then going to add audio effect, and you can choose other stuff too, like a de-esser and a phaser and all that cool stuff, but I just like the stock stuff, so I'll leave it like that. Now here you can change the volume of your track, and then right here you can change the panning of it, so it's left ear, right ear. Mute, you want to mute it. Solo if you have multiple tracks and you just want to solo this one. I think that's the record. Okay, the record's up here too, but you can also change the time signature too. Did I miss anything? I'm doing last minute checkups on everything here because I still am new to the software and I don't really use it that much, so this is just me learning as well. What is this? This is a scissors if you wanna cut things. And we got the performance tab. If you guys are running this on a potato, I'm pretty sure it'll catch fire. I haven't reached red levels yet. If you guys are running on a potato, you can tell me that. And then once you're done with all that, you can go up here to file and then audio mix down. And I just leave everything the way it is. I just leave everything the way it is, and then you just press OK, and then you got your you know what, I might as well just do that right now. Could I render while recording? Oh, it just crashed on me. Alrighty then. We don't have that project anymore. Never mind, we have it. It's right here. Alright, and that does it for tonight's video. It is 3 a.m. in the morning and I really need to go to bed. I don't know why I'm on my Steam page, but this is what you guys will be looking at, I guess. I don't know, since I'm on here, I guess you guys can add me on Steam. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed now, so good night everybody, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep on the lookout for the next episode of AcesToAces. Okay, bye bye.